everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you've all had an amazing week. It is the most beautiful weather in New Zealand today, so definitely enjoying the sunshine. My hubby's outside mowing the lawn, so I thought I'd quickly get some filming done before he's finished ready for lunch. Sorry I sound nasally, I've been hit, I'm guessing it's from all the lawn mowing, but my hay fever's just kicked in, so I'm sorry I sound a little bit stuffy. So today I'm very excited. I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video for Wendy Hill Cosmetics, so I am super excited. So if you'd like to see how these lippies turn out, then please keep watching. And if it's a video you enjoy watching or you'd love to just keep up to date with all my videos and what I'm up to, please hit the subscribe button down below. I am going to be doing a giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so you're entered into that giveaway, and I will get the details for that up very soon. And if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know it's something that you enjoy. But yeah, let's get into it. So before I start, I have never used Wendy Hill Cosmetics before. I have seen it and they do have a good range of products on their website, and I do follow them on Instagram as well because I do like what they have, and I haven't used any of the items before, so I was so super excited when they sent me these gorgeous lippies. So it came in the most gorgeous, it was packaged so beautifully. It was really lovely with a nice little card and letter. So thank you so much, Wendy Hill. Yeah, I'm so excited. And so far I have worn a couple of them and they are amazing. There's only 2 that I've swatched. I've got 6 lippies to try out today. But yeah, 2 of them I have used and they are incredible. Such an amazing consistency, a beautiful texture on your lips. So very excited. But they arrived in these gorgeous little bag, which is very handy because these come in handy for other things later on. The packaging is beautiful, so it says Tiffany Wendy Hill on the package, and it's your standard, you've got the name of the product underneath, and just lovely packaging, normal amount of lippy. And what I do like is that this middle part here is clear, so it's really awesome when you've got them all out, you can actually see what shade that you're grabbing. So I especially like that. And I've also got a little note here that they do also have, so as well as the full range of lippies, and I've got the 6 here, but they do have a full range. They also have lip liners and glosses too, so I haven't tried those, but that's really great to know that there are lip liners that go with them. So if you are someone that does prefer a lip liner with your lippy, they're available too. So you can check everything out on the Wendy Hill Cosmetics website to see their range of products. So you can follow them. They're on Facebook, they're on Pinterest, they are on YouTube, they are on Twitter, on Instagram. So just look up Wendy Hill Cosmetics and you can find all their details, and you can email them if you need to contact them. So these are all the shades here, and what I love, so there is a good mixture. I've got a good mixture of sort of nudes and pinks, few brights, but what I do love is that they all look very wearable. Not one of these colours, I mean I haven't seen all the other range, but these particular ones I've got, not one of them looks sort of like, oh, I don't know if I could pull that one off. Like, they all look very wearable. So I'll start with the lightest and build my way up to the darker shades. So this first one I'm going to use is called Cloud 9, and this is a gorgeous just soft pinky nude. So it's super pigmented. I love this color, super wearable. The texture is so beautiful. It is such a buttery, creamy texture to your lips. So it's very moisturizing, not drying at all. And the lippies that I have worn, I have actually worn this one and the other nude. The color does last. You hardly have to touch up, which is awesome for a lippy. And if you saw on my Instagram, I went to a wedding a little, was it 2 weeks ago? I think 2 weeks ago. I actually had this pink down, and then I used the Rimmel London lip art with the pearlescent over the top, and it was just such a perfect combo, and they looked really good together. So again, this one is called Cloud 9. The next one I'm trying is called First Love. So this one is just a very true nude. I'm so obsessed with this color. I have actually worn this quite a few times, and every time that I have worn it, I've had compliments on this shade. So this one is First Love. It is the perfect nude. Again, beautifully pigmented, lovely buttery feel on the lips. Would go with any look. You know, you could put it with a dramatic look or just something very soft and easy for the weekend, little pop of mascara and you're done. So again, that one is First Love. This next shade is called Shortcake. Looks like it's got a nice sort of peachy orangey tone to it. Okay, I am obsessed with that colour. Oh my goodness, I love this. So this one is Shortcake. That is just the perfect summery, bright, oh, I am obsessed. I absolutely love this shade. It is such a nice bright coral with a little bit of an orange undertone to it. And it would look so nice on all different skin tones. Like if you were pale, if you're darker skin, that would just look incredible. Oh, I love this one. The next one is called Play With Me. It's almost like a reddy pink shade, which is quite interesting. Honestly, I cannot get over how incredibly pigmented these are, and they just glide on so easy. But they've just got the most beautiful buttery texture that's not drying at all. But the pigment is incredible, and it just stays put. Like you don't really need a lip liner. I love that shade so much. So again, that one is called Play With Me. This next shade is called Shopaholic. I love that. It's like a nice deep muted, sort of like a dark pink mauvey tone. Absolutely love that shade as well. That is so super wearable, would go with so many different looks. I love that. So again, that one is called Shopaholic. And last but not least, this one is called, I'm so sorry if I say this wrong, Paso, Paso, Doble. So sorry, I'm probably said that so wrong, but let's try it out. This is gorgeous. It's almost like a deep reddish brown. It is a beautiful shade. Okay, and I'm obsessed with all of these. I'm actually running out of like things to say. They're just all amazing. I feel like this colour is actually going with I feel like I've got a bit of a 90s vibe going on today, and it's that sort of that browny orange tone that everyone wore in the 90s. So I really like that one. So that one, I don't know how to say it, is Paso Doble. I'm so sorry. And that is all the shades. This is just a short and sweet video, but I hope you liked it. I am absolutely obsessed with all of those colours. I'm definitely going to go on their website, see what other shades they've got, check out their lip liners as well. I do feel most of them are actually fine without a lip liner, but I felt like as the shades got a little bit darker, like this one, I probably would wear a liner with. But with all those other lighter shades, they were quite easy to just, I think they'd just be fine to be quite wearable without a lip liner. But absolutely obsessed, highly recommend them. They feel incredible on your lips, so I definitely suggest checking them out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing those shades, and it's always exciting to try new products. So hope you liked it. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will talk to you again in my next video. Talk to you soon. See you everyone.